Hi all, this is Dave with TriArt Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be testing, finally, the titanium white by TriArt as a cell activator. I'm pretty excited to have it in my box, and I already know how this came out today, and I'm pretty excited to show you exactly what it happens with it. I'm going to spend a little bit of time showing you how I mixed it, so you can see it from the very beginning. So without too much more delay, let's get down and look at the process here. This is the TriArt Titanium White. It is very much, it's a different consistency. You really can't see it there, but you can see in the container that it's not at all thick in the sense that we have with the Amsterdam. So I'm going to be mixing this up just to make it easy. I'm going to do a half teaspoon, so I'm going to showing you that the half teaspoon is there. I'll put that in my cup, and then I'm going to do this at a 3-to-1 ratio. So next thing I will do is pull up my my Australian floetrol, and I'm going to show you that I normally transfer this over to a smaller container so it's easier to manage, and I can get a more accurate fill with this. So 3-to-1, so I'm going to 3 half teaspoons to 1 half teaspoon, 3-to-1. Wouldn't matter what your measurement was, as long as they're consistent. 3-to-1 ratio is how it's done, at least with this one. Okay, good mix. Now you can see here, this is real time. I haven't done anything to this. You can see how quickly this incorporates into the floetrol, which is kind of exciting in the sense that with the titanium white from Amsterdam, I had to work a lot harder to get it to incorporate. Which, the more you have to stir, the more chances you have for introducing bubbles. Okay, you can see the consistency there. Although it's not coming off my stick very well, it's because I still had some left over. Okay, tile is going down. This is 6-inch tile. This is PPG MULTI-PRO. This is my go-to pillow paint. Quinacridone Nickel Azul Gold is next, followed by Whitehaven by this little Piggy, followed by Brilliant Blue by Liquitex Basics. This is Sea Glass by this little Piggy. And finally the new titanium white cell activator. See, I just blew it out. Now I'm going to blow it out, and so you can see the cells there. When we get down to this, you're going to be able to see how well the cells formed. Now this, I wouldn't consider this a perfect bloom, but I will say that I am really impressed at how well these cells developed and stayed.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
Okay, I hope that's helpful, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for being here. Bye now.